Good morning once again and welcome to Tech Bandela, my YouTube channel, and today we are going to study about drilling machine. So my dear students, drilling machine, whenever you are going to make some holes in your workpiece, you need a drilling machine. So first of all, you can see the basic construction of this drilling machine. That is, here you can see that this is your base of a drilling machine, which is made up of cast iron. Well, cast iron has a very good high compressive strength, and here this is the column, right? This is the column. This column is hollow from inside. Why it is hollow from inside? Because you can see that at this column, having at the upper side there is electric motor, and this electric motors electric wires are given by this column from this inside the column. So here you can see the basic things are that this has a base, the next one has a column, then over this column there is a spindle attachment. This is a spindle attachment, and on the opposite side there is a electric motor, and you can see this electric motor is attached to step cone pulley, and here the spindle is also attached. These dotted lines represent the spindle, and here is the cone pulley. If you see both the cone pulleys are in opposite direction, right? You can see that this cone pulley having a opposite direction. Here cone pulleys, they have some steps provided. These steps are provided for the velocity ratio, for increasing and decreasing the speed of the spindle, for increasing and decreasing the speed of the spindle, because for hard material you need low speed, for soft material you need high speed. Okay, and this is the guard which is used for protection, and to run these two pulleys, it is attached with the V belt. So V belt having a V cross section. In V belt there is very, actually no slip is written, but it has very negligible amount of slip as compared to flat belt. V belt have better grip as compared to flat belts. So here we use V shape V belts to rotate the power from electric motors to this cone pulley, and this power is given via V belt to this step cone pulley and again to spindle, and the spindle is attached to here. You can see that is a quick chuck. Now this is a quick drill chuck. So this quick drill chuck is nothing but is a type of a 3-jaw chuck. There is a slot, there is a key slot provided. This key slot, whenever you rotate in clockwise direction, it will hold the drill bit, and whenever you rotate in anti-clockwise direction, the 3 jaws will move opposite direction or away from center, and you can remove the drill bit. Below this drill bit you can also see there is a table clamp. This is a table. This is a table, work table, where the workpiece is located. The purpose of this work table having the T slots, right? So here you can see that this table can swell. This table can swell also. This table can move up and down also over this rack. Why up and down? Because according to the workpiece, according to the height of workpiece, you can adjust the level of the table. So this table can swell around this column. Along this column the table can swell, as well as the table can move up and down according to the height of the workpiece. So here you can see there is a base. The base is mounted with the foundation bolts. The base is made up of cast iron having a very high compressive strength, because whenever you are doing the drilling operation, there are lots of vibrations will occur, and this, due to this vibration, what happens, the machine will shake. So any drilling machine, first of all, it should be robust. So that it should sustain the vibrations. So for sustaining that vibration, cast iron is very good. Cast iron material is very good. Now you can see that this handle, this column, the spindle column also consists of a handle. This is a three handle. This is a handle jaw. So here there is a rack mechanism, and over this rack there is a pinion attached. Whenever you lower this handle or whenever you rotate in clockwise direction, this spindle will come in downward direction, and when you rotate this spindle in anti-clockwise direction, or whenever you rotate this handle in anti-clockwise direction, this spindle will move. So this is nothing but this is your drilling machine. So what is the principle of a drilling machine? So every machine has a principle. So working principle of a drilling machine is that the rotating edge of a drill the rotating edge, this is a rotating edge, it is rotating. Whenever you start the motors, the power is given to electric motors, electric motor rotates, electric power is given to this pulley, cone pulley, step pulley, and the power is given to V belt to this cone pulley, and then spindle rotates, spindle rotates the chuck, and chuck rotates the drill. So here the rotation of edge of drill exerts a large force on workpiece, and hole is generated, so whenever you offer exert pressure on this lever, this spindle will come downward direction and put in rotating direction, it will remove the material from the workpiece and holes are generated. Now you can see that I have drawn this twisted drill. Now you can see that it's a twisted drill. So actually the twisted drill is divided into two parts, that is, one is shank, this is taper shank. You can see this is a taper shank. Sometimes there is a straight shank is also available, straight shank, but this is a taper shank provided with the tang, and this shaper shank having more taper, that is 1:20. 1:20 is the most taper is available. Okay, this is the neck. So here is the shank which is located in this 3-jaw chuck, right? This is your quick drill chuck, right? And this is your neck, and after the neck this is the tool body. This is the tool body. So this tool body consists of flutes. So these are the flutes where the material comes out, and this is the margin. This is the cutting edge. This is the blade margin is known as, and this is making an angle, that is the helix angle. And this is the flank, it is having some lip angle, this angle, there is a lip angle called here, and this is a cutting point edge. So this is a body, this is a figure of a twisted drill bit, and you can see that most of the students have confused about through hole and blind hole. Through hole and blind hole means whenever you are drilling, this is the workpiece, whenever your drill passes, wherever the wheel passes throughout this workpiece, that is known as through hole. That is, you can see from here to here, you can see, if you see, that is nothing but through hole. And blind hole, whenever drill rotates in a workpiece at a particular at appropriate distance, but it does not make end-to-end cut, there is a blind hole. So such type of holes are known as blind hole, and such type of holes are known as through hole. So okay, I hope today we have understand that is, this is your drill machine. Drill machine has a base, column, electric motor, spindle, this is a guard, cone pulleys, and it is run by V belt. There is a spindle attached with a handle. Here also rack mechanism is available, rack and pinion mechanism. There is a quick drill chuck. These are the table that can swell. Okay, the workpiece and column is made up of your cast iron, good wear resistance, working principle, twisted drill, and blind hole and through hole. Okay, I hope you understand. Any problem we will see in chat section.